I'm Robin Rainbow Gate. I'm an author, I'm a teacher, and I'm a wellness coach. And I especially love to help midlife women who are looking to live their most fulfilling life now. And today I'm thinking about altars. One day, years ago, decades ago, soon after I had separated from my husband and I was living in my own place, a friend of mine came over and she said to me, "You have altars. You have little altars everywhere." I was like, "What are you talking about?" And then she pointed out that all over my house, apartment really, I had little areas that had like themes and special objects. But I had never named it altar. That's just what I did. But the truth is, there's a very heartfelt connection with those objects and the feelings that those objects give me and what they represent as part of myself, part of life, part of what I honor in myself, what I want for myself, what I enjoy. And so I thought I'd show you a couple of my little altars today. So here's one. This is for my little girl. This is for the young, playful part of me, which is a part of me that I love and cherish. And I've got a yo-yo and a top. I have a little Native American flute. I have a plastic dish for making tea parties that I found in the street. Bubbles. One has to have bubbles. And other things, a ball. And then here's a game called Loteria. It's like a bingo game, and it's in Spanish. It's a great way to learn vocabulary. So this is my little girl nurturing basket, and I do use it. And then there's the artist part of me. So here's my art project basket, and I have special kinds of pencils and magic markers and paints. I have a magnifying glass, I have crepas, I have special drawing materials, I have glitter paint, I have little metallic glowing paint, paper, and so this is my art basket. Maybe you'd like to have an art basket too. Then you always know where everything is when you're ready to do something creative, and then all the materials are right there, and you see what calls to you and what you want to use. I love my art basket. Here is another altar of mine. This is my dancing bowl, you could say. It has in it things for when I'm moving, usually to music. So I've got my Huichol maraca, my Guatemalan one, colors of the elements in it, another little baby one made out of a squash, and a jump rope in case I'm feeling very active, a ribbon for swirling, and very, very precious feathers, which to me are medicine, and I use them in different ways at different moments depending on the energy that I'm wanting to invoke at that moment. This is a rooster. I think this is a turkey. I believe this is a hawk. This is either a hawk or an owl. And this is a goose. So those are some of my feathers and some of my treasures that I wanted to share with you today. And in my next video, I'm going to share something else for nurturing your heart when you need a little extra support. So stay tuned and let me know in the comments below, what kinds of altars do you have? And how do you use them? And how do they help you? And I hope these ideas are exciting and inspiring and supportive for you, wherever you are in your journey.